So I'm doing yard work and I found this little guy. He's already bit me, but little garter snake, just chilling. I think this guy's lived under my shed for a long time, but we're gonna let him go. These guys are harmless. They do not hurt you. They are garter snakes, native to the area. So I was cutting the grass, doing some weed eating, and I saw this little one starting to move, and so I stopped immediately, picked it up, went into my kids' rooms, which they were not happy about, and now I'm gonna let it go right under my shed there. Can eat lots of stuff, and I'm drenched in sweat, so I apologize, but actually, no, I don't really care. Okay, let's let this one go. So I did pop this one. It actually is a female, but I'm just gonna let her go. Nope, don't go that way. You're going the wrong way. Get under there. You're okay. Go that way. There we go. All right. I was starting to question the will to live from the animal, but let's see. That's like a perfect spot. No cats can get under there. Oh yeah, you're long gone. Cool.